Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating features of your favorite vehicles. If you drive a Ford Hybrid, you might have seen a curious little button on your gear selector marked with an L. But what does it actually do? It's a question many Ford Hybrid owners have pondered. Well, that L stands for low gear, and it's designed to help you out in specific driving situations by increasing regenerative braking. Here's the scoop. When you're in L mode and take your foot off the accelerator, the car slows down more aggressively. Why? Because it's using the electric motor to capture and store energy back into the battery. This means less wear on your brakes, since the car isn't relying solely on the brake pads to slow down. It's a smart way to extend the life of your braking system. The regenerative braking system is a hallmark of hybrid technology, and using L mode maximizes its benefits. It's like getting a little extra juice for your battery every time you decelerate. Now let's talk about when to use it. Driving downhill? L mode can help you maintain a steady speed without constantly braking. This is especially useful on long descents where traditional braking could overheat. In stop-and-go traffic, it provides smoother control, reducing the need for frequent braking. This can make your daily commute less stressful and more comfortable. For normal driving, stick with D for drive mode. It's optimized for everyday conditions and provides the best balance of performance and efficiency. But when you need extra braking power, like on steep hills or in slow traffic, switch to L mode. It's a handy tool in your driving arsenal. It makes your drive easier and more efficient. Plus, it's a great way to get the most out of your hybrid's advanced technology. So next time you're behind the wheel of your Ford Hybrid, don't be afraid to hit that L button and enjoy a smoother, more controlled ride. It's there to enhance your driving experience. Remember, using L mode not only helps with braking, but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and battery life. It's a win-win. So next time you're behind the wheel of your Ford Hybrid, don't be afraid to hit that L button and enjoy a smoother, more controlled ride. Thanks for watching, and drive safe. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your vehicle.